Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade garlic bread. So for this you're going to need 2 part-baked baguettes, which you can get from most supermarkets. You're going to need 50 grams of butter, some herbs like oregano, Italian herbs, about 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, some grated mozzarella, and a garlic crusher if you have one, otherwise you can just use the back end of a knife. So I'm just going to melt the butter in the microwave for around 30 to 40 seconds. I've also peeled the garlic cloves, ready to crush into the butter. You'll also want to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. So I've just added the mixed herbs to the melted butter and the crushed garlic, and I'm just going to mix this well to combine. So I just cut the baguettes in half and then cut them into small pieces, and now I'm just going to spread the garlic butter on the bread. Okay, so I've just spread the garlic butter onto the bread, and then I'm going to sprinkle over the mozzarella. Okay, so the bread is ready for the oven. So you need to put this in the oven at 200 degrees C for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is nicely browned on top. So I've just taken the garlic bread out of the oven. I put the grill on for a few minutes at the end so that the cheese would be nicely brown on top. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you make this dish and what you thought of it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Do leave some suggestions for future videos too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.